Good afternoon. To Principal Young, Dr. Harris, Mayor Scott, Dr. Santelises, other distinguished platform guests, and to the graduating class of 2022. You're here today on the brink of the future. It's no longer a distant reality anymore. It begins here. It begins today. You started high school as young teenagers and leaving here as young adults. You completed an education that will serve as the platform you use to launch into the future. Some of you will go on to college. Others will go straight into the workforce or even own your own businesses. But each of you will travel your own path. No matter where you go, no matter what you do, the truth of the matter is there are challenges ahead. What I'm asking from each of you is that you meet those challenges straight on with your head high and your heart open. It's not enough to simply just get by. That doesn't move the world forward. You must try to excel in everything you do and everywhere you go. Although it may not be easy to see, every accomplishment you achieve is added to the world's accomplishments. Your successes benefit society as a whole, because when you succeed, you become a trendsetter for those coming after you. When you succeed, you are in a position to give rather than take. My challenge to you is this as I go to my seat. Do all that you can to reach your full potential. If each of you is able to do that, just imagine the effect that would have. The future is truly in your hands. So make the most of it. Do your best. And as you tackle the challenges ahead, don't forget your ABCs. Now, I'm not talking about the ones we learned in grade school, but I'm talking specifically about the ABCs that will help you along your journey. A, believe in your abilities. B, be bold in your pursuits. C, walk into every door you enter with confidence. D, turn your doubts into destiny. E, expect favor to follow you. F, remember faith is the substance of things hoped for. G, remember it is grace that is leading and guiding you. H, remain humble in all your ways. I, be an inspiration for generations to come. J, always stand for what is just. K, be kind to your brothers and sisters. L, remember you're a leader and not a follower. M, know that you are more than a conqueror. N, never give up. O, take ownership of every opportunity you receive. P, press toward the mark. Q, refuse to quit. R, rise above negativity. S, be unapologetic about your self-care. T, remember that you are a living testimony. U, mount up on wings like eagles. V, remember that you are victorious. W, always remember that no weapon formed against you will prosper. X, know that you have the X factor. Y, yearn to improve. And Z, pursue your dreams with much zeal. Now you know your ABCs. Now go make this world a better place to be. Thank you very much.
Graduate.